got me down again.
Alright, what up guys? Today we are here because Active sent me a cool package for me to review, but I'm not a detailer, so we're gonna have Caleb review this product for me. Let me turn off face track, but oh man, it keeps wanting to track my face. Don't track me. So we're gonna have Caleb review my Active product that I just got in. We're going to shoot some B-roll now, and we're going to see what Caleb thinks after he uses it.
I used only Active knowledge I have is the first generation I ran it when I first started detailing. So it'd be cool to see how far they came with the. This is a third generation, right?
Yeah, third generation. Yep.
Yeah, so it'd be cool to see how far they came since the first one.
Caleb, tell us, what do you think so far just from washing the wheels and using a basic standard gun, not even the quick release that they sent me, which I normally use anyways. We didn't have the right adapter, so we're just using this for now. I'm gonna go get the adapter, then we'll try it again some other time. But what do you think so far?
So far, so good. It has power. Like whenever I pushes you back a little bit, which is good. But so far, I mean, for the base model gun and everything, it's not a bad package. So can't complain so far.
So I will say that it is definitely louder than the 2.0, but not loud enough to be annoying. Hopefully you can still hear me from this. But as Caleb finishes washing my car with it, we're gonna go and ask him what he thinks about it. All right, so we finished up. Caleb, what do you think? I mean, I think I would give it like a 8 out of 10 in terms of, you know, how good it is, especially since it's not really made for, it's made for me, right? Like it's made for people that detail more than your typical average person, but it's not made for professionals per se. And you're a professional, so like where would you put this in your rating?
Out of the box, I give it a 7.8. It comes with everything you need. It has the longer hose now, 50-foot hose, which is all you need. I like that it's serviceable, so it should last a lot longer than the other one. My first generation one only lasted a month of full-time use. Something broke on it, but that one was not serviceable. So if this one breaks, I'm sure you can fix it up pretty easy. But I think with the right gun, quick connects, everything, I think this machine is an 8.5 out of 10.
Wow.
It's a pretty good
Wow, wow, wow.
especially for the price point you're getting that. So
Okay.
good job, Active, on this.
Yeah, well, Active, maybe you should send him one. He can just use it on his details. Like that's crazy. Yeah. Wow, Active. We got a professional that wants to use it. So maybe you guys send him one, you know? But yeah, I would like to thank Active for sending this out to me. I'm sure I'm going to have other people take a look and see what they say about it also, because if not, this will be a very short video. But I have all the B-roll. What can you say about it, Caleb, compared to like your pressure washer that you use? What do you use?
I use an AR Blue. I mean, pretty similar. Sounds the same. I think they're both 5-piston pumps. I know that one is reliable. I've been having it for over a year now. I have no issues with it. So I guess time will tell on how long this one will last. But from what I see, it looks like a great unit. It comes with a 4.0 nozzle. I want to see how it does with a 5.0. I'm sure Key probably did some testing with that for like the gallons per minute and stuff like that. But great machine compared to the commercial rated AR blues. Pretty similar in my eyes.
Yeah, and then everything that we used was out of the box. We were trying to use the short gun that they had sent me. We didn't have the quick disconnect, so I'm gonna get that, and then maybe we'll do it again or let them try it again with the short gun, which I did a video of that way back. I'll link it down below. And then maybe we could get a better read on how much more we may like it. Because, you know, the out-of-the-box guns normally are just these long, crappy things. And, you know,
pressure.
Yeah.
Any Prenzlers, they all come with that crappy gun. It's just like I said, once you get the Masmatic gun or the new active, I felt that the new short gun, it felt really good. Just with that, maybe a hose real quick next. I think this is a great pressure washer for your, you know, your weekend warrior or even professionals. I think if it lasts long, it's a great pressure washer for the money.
that is fantastic. And so we would like to thank Caleb for washing the whip. It's so clean right now. And then coming and trying out the active as I got it today. And then I'm sure we'll see more of Caleb as we get the right adapters and whatnot to work with this.
I'll be back soon.
Yep, for sure. Thank you.
Anytime, man.
Sure. Your active, what is it, 2.3?
Yeah, 2.3. What do you think? What do you think so far?
It's really nice.
My quick connects haven't showed up. They're literally like a couple stops down, so he's stuck using this too.
But Amazon says by 10 p.m.
Yeah,
you're screwed.
yeah, it's a little annoying, but whatever.
But no, overall, like pressure washer, it just feels really good. Like feels like luxury pressure washer for the price you're paying. It's like $600. It's really good. Like as soon as you squeeze the trigger, it comes on effortlessly. Pressure is really nice. No complaints.
And you were saying that like when you first start spraying the wheels, you're like, damn, I might not even have to touch my wheels, right?
Yeah. If you have ceramic coated wheels, you're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing's awesome. Even like the stock gun is nice. Like trigger's a little sensitive, like it's a little tap and it's activating. But yeah, it's not bad for a stock gun.
All right, so we have Devon here. He also washes my car, so he's actually going to try out the pressure washer for himself and then see what he thinks about it. So we'll let you talk to him and see what he thinks he's going to like about it, and then what he actually thinks about it afterwards. So what do you think, man?
Hey man, so first and foremost, the Active is really small and compact. Very convenient to put in your mobile shop or your mobile, either your shop or your mobile truck. But yeah, I'm gonna use it and see what I like about it so far. But it seems like it has really sturdy material. I love the swivel reel on the swivel reel's pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna get started, see what it's about. Yeah.
All right, Devon. So what do you think about this pressure washer?
So this is the Active 2.3. It's actually a really convenient pressure washer. It's really small, compact, very easy to maneuver and get around. Extremely responsive on the triggers. The way it blows, it's like a blower and a pressure washer all in one because it's that precise. Very perfect for a car. It's not too strong. It's not too weak, and I would say overall the design and the compactness of it is what I like the best. I mean, it's very functional, very strong materials, good quality. Yeah.
So would you say the pressure is better than some of the ones that you use?
Yeah, so I've currently, based on the electric side of it, I use the Karcher, and I had a Sunbird when I first started my detailing business, but it's definitely one of the best out there. The pressure is super on. There's no hesitation as you're blowing. You don't hear much of the backup noise and the repressurizing of it. So it's real top notch. Very good quality stuff.
So what would you rate it?
Ooh, on a scale of 1 to 10, this Active 2.3, I'd give it a solid 9.
9.
Because
wow.
I think nothing's perfect. A 9 is great in terms of the whole usability of it. So,
9's pretty high.
Yeah, I would say so. It's the best electric pressure washer that I've used, so I give it a solid 9.
So maybe you'll pick one up.
Oh, absolutely. Thank you, Active. Yeah, cool.
So I would like to give a big shout out to Active for sending me their 2.3 pressure washer along with their short gun. I've been really delayed on making this video, and there will be more to come regarding the setup and how I have it, because I got a push cart now and full setup with the help of Keeve. So thank you, Keeve, for helping me with that. Wanted to make this video more so people that actually use pressure washers more than me, right? So like I just have basic pressure washer experience, but you know, Kyler, Caleb, and Devon, they all use different types of pressure washers all the time, so they can sort of give a better, I guess, review or thoughts initially from using mine. And I think that would really help everybody else determine if this is something that they want. That being said, they did send it to me for free, but I'm gonna be as honest as I can. I personally love the pressure washer. There's almost nothing that I can say that I dislike about it, especially that I don't have to wipe down the car as much. The pressure is so good that it usually just blows everything or washes everything off of it immediately, and I don't really need to go in with the bucket. Now, that being said, your car's dirtier, of course, that you'll probably need to, but for the most part, it does get most of my wheel grime and things like that off immediately. So again, thank you for Active, and we'll see you soon.